Welcome back to G Mercedes in Cedar City, Utah with this 461, so not a 460 but a 461 1993 two-door short wheelbase. Not a very common vehicle with military specs, so it is quite rare. The vehicle is also super low miles, upgraded to the original engine with a turbo diesel, so the 290 2.9 liter engine, and we added the turbo to the vehicle. As you can see, in a super solid original condition. We did of course a repaint because they come in camouflage, and quite often most people don't like that. We added to 235/85/16 Toyo tires, so they are slightly bigger as the original ones, and we can upgrade the tire size by at least 10% because we added the turbo and we do have the 5-speed overdrive transmission. So in terms of horsepower, it's a huge increase, but still mild, upgraded. So we don't want to do the extremes to the turbo or to the engine. So we add at least 30-40% to the horsepower, at least. .24 volts, so two batteries of 12 volts, no electronics, so no computers, no electronic devices, and no dealership needed to keep them running. As you can see, it is not smoking at all. We installed also the US hitch. It's for 2-inch. It does have the small jump seats, so it seats 6, and as I said before, absolutely rust free, super solid, super low miles. I think somewhere around 40k in kilometers, so that is absolutely nothing. Your plastic tank with a bigger capacity as your normal 460, so 92 liters. And we also installed the AC, so it has an underdash AC which works absolutely perfect. 5-speed overdrive, as said before. Of course 4-wheel drive, so you engage the 4-wheel drive. On normal streets you use it as a 2-wheel drive, and when you go off-road you engage the 4-wheel drive. And of course German build, quality, and the engine runs absolutely as a sewing machine. So if you have any questions about this one or any other G-Class that we have on the website, or you're looking for something in particular, then please do shoot us an email, info@g-mercedes.com. Until next time, be safe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.